Insulin could soon be delivered through a skin cream thanks to a new breakthrough that may eventually replace the need for daily injections for people with diabetes. Scientists have developed a cream that can carry insulin through the skin and into the body, a task once thought impossible because insulin molecules are too big and not a good match for the skin's natural barrier. But by attaching insulin to a special compound that changes how it behaves as it moves through different layers of skin, researchers found a way to sneak the hormone past the body's defenses. In lab tests using human skin models, diabetic mice, and mini pigs, which are biologically similar to humans, the cream worked just as well as injected insulin. In animals, blood sugar levels dropped to normal within 1 to 2 hours and stayed steady for up to 12 hours afterward. The compound not only delivered insulin to the right places, like the liver and muscles, but also triggered the same helpful effects as injections, helping cells absorb sugar and regulate energy without causing harmful side effects. Even better, it appeared to work more gradually than injected insulin, which could mean fewer blood sugar spikes and smoother control overall. If future human trials show similar results, this cream could offer a pain-free, more convenient alternative to injections, making it easier for people to manage diabetes. Scientists also believe this delivery method could work with other types of drugs that normally can't pass through the skin, opening the door to easier treatments for a range of conditions. Unlike what most people think, insulin isn't only made in the pancreas. Your brain makes it too. Scientists have known for over a century that the pancreas produces insulin through special cells, called beta cells. But brain-made insulin has been mostly ignored since its discovery in the 1970s. Back then, studies showed insulin levels in rat brains were much higher than in blood. But later research claimed all brain insulin came from the pancreas. That view stuck for nearly 30 years. Newer studies now show that the brain really does make its own insulin, and at least 6 types of brain cells are involved. Some are in areas linked to memory, smell, growth, and appetite control. For example, one type of brain cell, found in memory-related regions, makes insulin in response to glucose, just like pancreatic cells. Another group of cells in the hypothalamus, a key brain region for growth and metabolism, produces insulin that affects growth hormone levels. If mice are stressed, these cells make less insulin, and the mice grow more slowly. The choroid plexus, which makes the fluid that bathes the brain, also produces insulin. This insulin can travel to the hypothalamus and reduce appetite. Other brain areas, like the hindbrain, also make insulin that helps suppress hunger. But brain insulin doesn't regulate blood sugar like pancreatic insulin does. It likely stays inside the brain. Instead, it may help protect brain health, especially with aging. Alzheimer's disease has been linked to insulin resistance in the brain, which means brain cells can't use glucose properly. This leads to energy shortages and memory problems. In some cases, giving insulin through the nose helps improve brain function, though not always.
A new nanotechnology-based oral insulin pill could potentially replace painful injections for millions of people with diabetes. This groundbreaking pill utilizes a nanoscale material, a fraction of the width of a human hair, to protect insulin molecules from stomach acid and deliver them precisely to where they are needed in the body. The nanomaterial also acts as a nano